Good thing we have a web shield. I'm sorry, Spidey. My hiccups ruined our plan to sneak up on Green Goblin. Ugh. It's okay, Spin. You know, when a plan doesn't work, I just find another way to save the day. Hey, that rhymes. Speaking of words that rhyme, we have to find out where the power sword is stored before Goblin does. Right. I'll take a photo of the page with the camera and my mask and send it to Ghost Spider. She's a whiz at figuring out clues. Uploading the picture to web quarters now. Let's get back there and show it to her.